I've been impressed by the diversity of the topics, the disciplinary, the scientific fields and disciplines that are represented. But beyond that, I think what's interesting is really how science bridges to society, to management, and to economic sectors. I think that's really the key and the game changer that the decade is trying to promote. That science is no longer the business of scientists, but we really need to create bridges with different group of stakeholders so that the science is responding to the needs of those stakeholders and has also a stronger chance of being acted upon by local communities, by governments, and by industry altogether.
So it's not every day you get 1,200 people in the room to talk about marine science. This Ocean Decade of Ocean Science. I think the one interesting part to take away from the conference is the strong networks of scientists that can come to bear to bring together the knowledge base that is there, but also push the envelope in terms of the science that we have for the region, and to make policies that are relevant and achievable for the region, especially since we have only 2030, which is the deadline for the SDGs, a lot to be achieved. And the way the planetary crises unfolding, I think we need science to be underpinning this, and it's really important for the project like the South China Seas SAP and the scientific community to come together to link up with the policymakers.
I think the idea is that we want to showcase the what have been done in this large marine ecosystem. So we consider that the South China Sea itself is one we call large marine ecosystem. It's an example of from where it's the place with the high biodiversity in the region. But at the same time, there's a number of threats being occur in the area. So management intervention is really critical for this area in particular. The South China Sea SAP project is one thing that we try to do a number of activity to address the threat in the region, in the South China Sea. And from the presentation of the topic that being shared in the session, I observed that there's a number of science-related program or science-related project in the area that they bring in and share their idea. One thing is about when we're talking about the management in general, I think there's a number of showcase. They're talking about the involvement of the local community or the coastal community or even the fishery community. Yeah, that is being highlighted in the forum. I think that is really important because once when we want to manage something without the involvement of the stakeholder at the local level, I can say that we cannot come out with a good achievement of the objective. What we have done, we see some good result that I think all the participants enjoy this meeting. They have a chance to share their ideas and discussion. That's a good thing that I observe.